horror. It is not easy. Even if you are a potato lover, it is not easy, dude. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope that everybody is good and great. If you are new here, then hello, I am Shivani and I post videos related to challenges. Also, I'm trying to lose weight, so I put up a lot of weight loss videos and also vlogs. So if you're interested, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you get a notification. In today's video, I'm going to share my experience when I ate only potatoes for 3 days. So I did potato diet for 3 days and now I'm going to share my experience and how it was, everything in this video. So keep on watching and watch this video till the end. First of all, what is potato diet? So this diet is actually a fat diet which claims that you can lose weight in 3 to 5 days only, and this diet actually got famous in 2016 when Tim Steele wrote a book all about potato diet, and from there this diet got very popular, and Tim actually said that this diet is the best diet ever invented. So according to him, this diet actually strengthens your immune system, it also improves your gut health, and also it provides you enough nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Also, potatoes are very affordable, so this diet became the best diet to lose weight. Fat diet, okay. Now there are some rules when you follow this diet. You can do this diet only for 3 to 5 days, not more than 5 days. It is always advised to do this diet up to 5 days and then take a break and then restart this diet. So I did this diet only for 3 days just to check out whether this diet actually works or not. Now the rules are, first of all, you can have only plain boiled potatoes, not fried, no french fries, no chips, no hash browns, nothing. You can have only boiled potatoes for 3 days or 5 days. Second is, you cannot have ketchup, cheese, oil, butter with your potatoes. You cannot cook your potatoes in butter or oil. Next rule is that you can have potatoes from 1 to 2.5 kilos. According to your appetite, you can go up to 2.5 kilos potatoes per day. So अगर आपको भूख ज्यादा लगती है तो आप 2.5 kgs तक पोटैटो खा सकते हो. अगर आपको इतनी भूख नहीं लगती तो मिनिमम आप 1 किलो पोटैटो खा सकते हो एक दिन में. Next is, have plenty of water throughout the day, and also if you do a lot of heavy exercise, then you don't have to do heavy exercise throughout this diet. You can only do walking or brisk walking. That's it for the rules, guys. Now I'm gonna share the clips where I was doing my diet. I recorded my 3 days journey, so you can also enjoy that. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Hi guys. Okay, so this is night before I start my potato diet. So I am currently boiling my potatoes so that I can cool them down and then reheat them tomorrow before starting my diet. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and all the best to me because from tomorrow I'm going to start this diet and I'm excited for that. Hi guys, it's day number 1 today of me doing the potato diet. So I kept my boiled potatoes in refrigerator last night and now I'm going to reheat them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roast them, like dry roast them in a pan to make them a little crispy, and we don't have to remove the skin of the potato, so we have to eat them with the skin. So yeah, let's go in the kitchen and make our potatoes. Okay, so here are my boiled potatoes. Now I'm going to chop them and then saute them in my pan without oil. Okay, there goes my potato. Okay, so I'm going to use this much of potato. Also, I'm going to add black pepper and a little of black salt, and without oil it is sticking so much, but it's okay, we can do it. Okay, we can make it work. Time again. Okay guys, so I ate my potatoes 2.5 hours ago and now I am hungry again. So to be honest, for 2 hours I was straight full and I was not feeling hungry at all, but now it's a little like, you know, I want to eat something, so I'm going to have my potatoes. So let's go in the kitchen and make our potatoes again. And I'll be making the potatoes in same way for 3 days because I love it that way. I don't want the mashed potatoes, I just love it when I roast them without oil. So let's go and make our potatoes. Okay guys, this is my dinner for tonight. Okay, so I have added pudina chutney, which is also known as mint chutney, because these potatoes are flavorless, and I have added a little bit of chili I have not added any salt this time because it's night time, so I am avoiding salt at night. So yeah, this is pretty much my dinner. Okay guys, it's day 2. Wait. Hi guys, it's day number 2 and here are my potatoes. So first of all, I need to talk to you, okay? It is not easy. Even if you are a potato lover, it is not easy, dude. I am a big potato lover. Like you can see, you know, I am like a potato, okay? But still I cannot eat it. Like I felt it will be easy, you know, it's potato and only 3 days, but it's been only 1 day. And to be honest, at this moment I just feel कि I don't want to eat it anymore यार. I can have anything else. मैं कुछ और खा लूँगी, but ये मत दो. But okay, it's okay, we have to do it, it's a challenge. So what I have done is I have added a little mint chutney because mint chutney is not filled with calories, so I can have it. So I have added mint chutney and a little bit of rock salt. Not bad for sure, but I'm bored of it. I want to eat something else. And you know what the problem is? It's very dry. Like we are not using any oil, so it's very dry, and due to the chilka of this potato, the skin of the potato, it's again very weird, but okay. It's okay, Shivani. Wow. Also, I'm gonna have green tea after this. Like after 20-25 minutes, I'm gonna drink green tea. Okay guys, time for meal number 2 of day number 2. Today I have chopped them in the shape of fries. Just to feel a little better, I have done this. So yeah, I'm gonna have it, and yeah, here you go. Ta-da! Okay guys, dinner for day number 2 is ready. Again, pudina chutney is my savior, dude, okay? Pudina chutney is my savior, literally. Pudina chutney is saving me, dude, from these potatoes. Though these potatoes are not bad, but you know what I mean. Also, I'm gonna have a cup of green tea before sleeping. So yeah, 2 cups of green tea today. Hi guys, it's day number 3 today and I haven't taken a shower yet, so please ignore that. Here is my breakfast. So there is an update that I woke up hungry today. So usually I don't wake up hungry, but today I was like, give me food, okay? So that happened. Secondly, I have a little bit of headache today. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm hungry. Maybe. So we're gonna have this and let's see whether my headache goes off or not. So yeah. Again, we have our French fries, baked, roasted, whatever you want to call it. So I have these boiled potatoes, okay, in short, boiled potatoes. And again, I'm having a little bit of pudina chutney with it. So let's go. Yummy. Just kidding. It's very dry. I don't know what to do with that. It's okay, dude. It's okay. I love potatoes. I'm gonna have these potatoes. Today is the last day. So yeah. I'm gonna miss my potatoes though. Hi guys. Okay, so this is my lunch time and I was shooting a video. That's why you can see a lot of makeup on my face. And now I'm very, very hungry, because it's a little late now. Also, I want to tell you guys that I am using pudina chutney because it is not filled with calories. You cannot use ketchup and all this stuff if you are doing this diet, okay? So ketchup has a lot of sugar and calories. That's why I'm saying you cannot have that. Otherwise, if you have some pudina chutney, because this is actually healthy pudina chutney, if I'll get a link of this pudina chutney, I'll put it in the description. You can also watch and make it. So yeah. And there is no salt on this potato. Hot. It's very hot. Also, I like my makeup today. It's very subtle and very cute and very calm, right? I just quickly changed my clothes because I was so hungry. Oh my god.
last meal of day 3.
Welcome guys, it's result time. Okay, so when I started my diet, I was at 89.1 kilo and on my last day my weight was, now you can see that in just 3 days I have lost this much weight. So according to me, if you want to lose weight in just 3 to 5 days, you know, if there is something special coming up and you want to lose that extra 1 or 2 kilos, then you can definitely do this diet. But if you ask me, I think I will never do this diet again because I am looking for something long term and this is not a long term diet. I think you cannot sustain on this diet forever. First of all, it is a very restrictive diet. You can have only and only boiled potatoes throughout the diet, so which is very restrictive for me and for anyone, dude. You can have green tea, black coffee or water along with it, but nothing to eat except potatoes. Next is that this diet lacks proteins, fats and other nutrients. So if your diet lacks proteins and fats, healthy fats, then you might lose your muscle, which leads to the third point actually, that you can lose muscle mass while doing this diet, which is not at all a good thing. So I don't know, I just don't think that I will be doing this diet ever again. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. If you guys like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below that how you like this video, and if you have some video ideas that you want me to do, then please let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to do that. And I actually write down every video idea that you guys give me, and one day I'm gonna do it for sure. Very soon I'm gonna do that. And also subscribe if you haven't yet, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I will meet you next time with a new video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Also, I'm going to put the link of the video that I followed for the potato diet in the description, so go ahead and check that video as well.